Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and I know you've been wondering, Very Carrie, where have you been? Well, my family and I have been putting Christ into Christmas by visiting Israel for the past 10 days on our Christmas vacation. We visited the city of Bethlehem, where Christ was born. We visited Jerusalem. We stopped by the church where Jesus was crucified, and we visited the anointed stone where his body was prepared for burial. We also visited the Western Wall, also known as the Wailing Wall. It's a sacred Jewish place where we wrote letters and blessings and stuck them in the cracks of the wall. We toured the markets and had a wonderful time. I even visited Israel's version of the Dollar Tree. Now, whenever I'm in a foreign country, I like to see the Dollar Tree in that foreign country. But the prices there were more like Five Below. Now, their Dollar Tree is called Max 20, and that means nothing costs more than 20 shekels, and 20 shekels converts to about $5 US. Now, I did not record many Christmas decor videos or entertaining videos because, number one, we weren't hosting and our family was not home for the holidays. And number two, December is a very busy month for us. We were spending most of our time fulfilling our holiday orders for Tommy's. And Tommy's are my time of the month period panties that are a leak-proof period panty with a pocket on the front for a disposable heating pad or extra pad storage. And our sale will be continuing through to the end of this month. Just use coupon code YuleFlowGirl, and I'll leave the link to our website and some of the videos that talks about Tommy's below. Now that you're all caught up on my whereabouts, I thought I'd show the minimal decor that I did put up before I take it down and put everything away. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we're starting with our foyer, our entryway, and on our entryway table, I just hung our stockings there. And if you remember from last year, these are the DIY stockings I made. The R over there, that stands for Reagan, that's Taylor's, and that's Mommy's, that's Carrie's right there. So I just hung our stockings there because we did not put up a Christmas tree this year. This is the first year we did not have a Christmas tree. No one wanted to drag that up and put it together since we were not going to be here. And then I just took all of the decor that I actually used in the family room for decorating last year and put it on the foyer. So this little deer right here was actually in one of the niches in our family room. And this wreath right here, you guys might remember it from the breakfast station last year, but I just put it inside of my tobacco basket and hung up that jingle sign. And basically everything here are items I already had, and I just repurposed them and used them on the foyer. I just left our table lamp there. These are the same candlestick holders that I had on my Thanksgiving tablescape in the hurricane vases. And you see all of the flocked decoration back there. And then I just stuffed some Christmas balls inside of a lantern and made a bow on top. And the only other place that I decorated was our dining room. And as you can see, the dining room is now a new color. It's no longer the burnt orange, and I will have a dining room refresh reveal tour coming soon once I take down all of the Christmas decor. But let's just take a look at our tablescape. Now, I did not get to use this tablescape. I kind of played around with it, and it was a little bit incomplete because I ran out of time. But I'm just going to give you an idea of what I was thinking, and you just might see the exact same thing again next year, but executed more professionally and complete. And basically what I did was I just took some of that foam batting snow and put it down on the table. I just wanted to feel like a winter wonderland, but this really wouldn't be that practical to actually eat on. We weren't going to be using it for food. I thought, oh, hey, let's just, play with a little bit of fantasy. But if I did it next year, I would just use the white linen tablecloth and leave it like that. Down the middle, I just took a flocked piece of garland, and you guys remember him. For many, many years, he sat on my mantle in the family room, and I decided to put him front and center on the tablescape this year. I tried to make him a little fur collar and put on a little brooch and some rose gold ribbon, but it looks like he's being choked. I did not like the way that turned out, so I probably will come up with something different next year. But I just want to show you the flaws, and you know, when I mess up, everything doesn't always come together perfect the first time. I play around with it, you know, quite a bit, but I did not have the time to perfect this tablescape this year. And then I just took those finials that I had on my mantle last year and flanked each end of the table, and then nestled in between the flocked garland are a few Christmas ornaments and a few of these Mercury glasses from the Dollar Tree. And then on the end of the table, just for a little bit of, you know, pizzazz and decor, I just put some wine glasses, some rose gold wine glasses on a tray. And some champagne flutes are on this end. Then over there in the chair, I just have a blue pillow, and that's actually my fall pillow, and I just flipped it around. Then moving right along the wall, these are the pictures that were originally on the wall before I painted, and since they had a burnt orange and brown colors, they really did not go with this theme. So what I decided to do was wrap them like... Now, Christmas is not Christmas without some sort of Christmas tree. So I pulled out my dusty, tarnished silver punch bowl from the garage that hasn't been seen in over 12 years. I shined it up and made it the base for my small tabletop flocked tree, which I sat on a table in the corner of the dining room, and I just added a few ornaments and a cute little deer, a cute little glam deer, and then we just put our presents on the floor around the little table. On the opposite side of the room, over here where we have our buffet, I just put a little bit more of that fake snow on there, and there are my huge nutcrackers that I shared with you in a haul. And these deer were actually on my mantle in the family room along with those trees last year. I used another one of my flocked wreaths that was in the breakfast area, hung that there, and then just hung a ornament in between and just hung it right over my large picture frame. And then in this final corner is where I set up the bar cart, and I just put one of my ornament wreaths right above the bar cart. And then here is the bar cart set up for a champagne toast for New Year's, but again, we were not here for New Year's, so I'm going to save this for Valentine's Day. And my husband and I love this Moet Nectar Imperial Rosé. It is so good, and so I'm going to pop that open. Then another little deer, some of my glasses, and a shaker, and then I just put some fake snow on a copper stand. And then at the bottom I just put in another one of my deer and stacked them on top of some boxes I already had. So pretty much I did not purchase anything for Christmas this year. And then on the other side of the bar cart, I just hung my little towel that says "All the Jingle Ladies." So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully that explains why I was missing MIA for quite a bit. And I'm coming back with some great content for you guys. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.